Concrete cutting contractors face some serious challenges that can totally make or break a job, especially when it comes to dust control, precision cutting, vibration management, noise reduction, and keeping equipment in good shape. So, here's the deal. Managing dust is huge, because nobody wants a dusty mess or health issues popping up. Always use wet cutting methods when you can. They keep dust down big time. Next, nail your precision cutting by measuring twice and cutting once, and don't rush. Take your time with the right blades. Vibration can wreck your hands and arms, so grab anti-vibration gloves and take breaks to avoid burnout. Noise? Ear protection is a must. Plus, try to schedule noisy jobs when neighbors are less likely to complain. Equipment wears down fast, so keep everything clean and lubricated, and swap out blades before they get dull. Also, plan your cuts to minimize unnecessary work and save your gear. Lastly, keep an eye on safety gear because injuries can stop your work cold. One of the biggest mistakes concrete cutting contractors make is ignoring dust control, which leads to unsafe work environments and fines. Fix it by always using wet cutting or dust extractors. Another common problem is sloppy precision cutting that wastes materials and time. The fix is proper measurements and sharp blades. Lastly, lots of contractors overlook vibration management, causing long-term health issues. So get those anti-vibration tools and schedule breaks to keep your body in check. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners because it connects them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. For contractors, it's an awesome way to get steady work by reaching folks who really need their services in a straightforward, no-hassle way.